Welcome to my honest review of concrete investing. If you're interested in diversifying your portfolio with real estate, you're in the right place. Concrete investing allows you to invest in fractional shares of income-generating properties. It's designed for investors who want to get involved in real estate without the hassle of direct property management. In this review, I'll go through the entire process, from setting up your account to understanding the fees involved. Once you sign up, you'll get access to a variety of property investments, each with detailed information on expected returns and other relevant data. What's great about concrete investing is the way they simplify real estate investing, so you don't need to be an expert to start building a real estate portfolio. The platform targets both experienced investors and beginners who are looking for a low-effort way to get started. The platform provides thorough details on each property, including property management, occupancy rates, and the projected yield. Once you choose your investment, the platform allows you to invest a minimum amount, which can vary depending on the property, so you can start small and scale up as you grow more comfortable. As for fees, concrete investing charges a small management fee, and it's important to understand the fee structure before diving in. The platform is transparent about these fees, and the returns are adjusted accordingly, so you can make an informed decision about whether the investment fits your goals. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video. Do this after watching the video. Overall, I'd say concrete investing is a great platform for those looking to get into real estate without the large upfront costs typically associated with property ownership. It makes real estate investing accessible and simple, and the platform's user-friendly design ensures that you won't feel overwhelmed at any point. If you're serious about starting or growing your real estate investment portfolio, I highly recommend giving concrete investing a try. Make sure to explore their available properties and consider how the investment fits with your goals. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tips on real estate investing. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.